What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. Welcome to the TonyaNicole world experience, whatever you want to call it. How y'all doing today? I hope all is well with all of you guys. Y'all, today we have a late ass Slay Glam box. Now, I did a poll on my YouTube community tab. Asked you guys if you wanted to see the unboxings of Slay Glam and the box by Fashion Style because they came really late. You guys say yes. So if you guys want to see what is in January's Slay Glam box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. What do you think about all of these shippings that are super late? Okay, guys, first things first, my son made 20 on Saturday, and oh my God, I cannot believe that I have a 20-year-old. Oh my God. Happy birthday, my baby. Mama loves you so much. Y'all, we had so much fun over the weekend. We did a lot of things. I went to his college and visited him, and we just had a ball. I'm so proud of him, I swear. Before I get into Slay Glam, I want to say a big thank you and a super duper big shout out to my 5 first commenters. Well, we're going to do 10 first commenters in my Beat Face box and my lash bag that I posted my little bonus video on Saturday for my baby's birthday. So we're gonna say thank you guys so much for waking up early, watching your girl, tuning in and being consistent and loyal. I love you all. I love all of you guys. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of my bomb ass subscribers that went onto Slay Glam's PR post on Instagram and suggested your girl. However, I am sad to report that I did not get PR for Slay Glam box for 2020. I didn't know what the qualifications were. I think Slay Glam is looking for YouTubers with a big following, and my following is not as big as theirs. So that's what I'm kind of thinking would be the reason. But however, that is completely fine. I just wanted to thank you guys for going on over and suggesting your girl. I love you all so much, and I appreciate you guys so much. Now, let's get into the shipping. So apparently she had a palette that was supposed to be in this month's bag that was late. So it slowed production down on the boxes. Hence is the reason why we got them really late. Some things are beyond our control. So, I guess technically, it wasn't her fault. Just sometimes I wish that when they know they're not going to get the product, just substitute or always have a backup plan so that we don't be unboxing January's box in February. You know what I'm saying? And I'm very excited to see what we got this month. I'm going to give you guys a few specs. We're going to get on into the unboxing and y'all know the rest. Y'all ready? Let's go. For you guys that do not know, Slay Glam Box is a $24 per month beauty subscription. You get free shipping, or she offers an option where you can pay $5.95 to get priority 1 to 3 day shipping. You get 5 to 7 beauty products each month, minimum value of $100. And for the most part, she lets us customize through Instagram or email. Also, if you use the code TonyaSlays, you will get some money off of your first box. Let's go on and get into this unboxing. So when you slide it out, there's something else in here. Okay. It's in this little bag like that. Most people don't like the packaging because it's so thin, but I haven't had an issue with anything breaking in my box. Every month it comes with a card that looks like this. It says Slay Glam Box on the front with all of her hashtags and website stuff. On the back here, we get all of the prices of the items that we received. Y'all know I'm going to calculate it and put a total towards the end of the video. Up first, guys, I am seeing from Steina Face, this Velvet Dream Stick. What is this? Oh, it's a lipstick. Okay. It's called Velvet Dream Stick. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys, right there. And let's open her up and see. This is what the packaging is looking like right here. I love the packaging, very pretty and chic. And this is the lipstick right there. I'm not going to swatch this because I know that it's a chance I will not use it, but I will be putting it in a giveaway for one of you lucky subscribers. And let's see what this retails for. And this is the Steiner Face Lipstick, and it retails for $24. $24. I haven't heard of this brand, so let me know what you guys think of the brand if you have heard of it and the price point. Up next, guys, which y'all see my sun is coming out, okay? Up next, we have the Eyeliner Pencil Professional Makeup Collection from Sigma. We just got one like this in our Bijou box, which was actually, I think, my last video instead of the Beat Face box. I don't remember, y'all. Don't worry. My brain is just... But we did get one like this in our Bijou Beauty box just a couple of weeks ago. So this is what that looks like. And it's in the shade Vintage. Same color. Sigma must have had a sale or something. This is what the pencil is looking like right here. And I'm going to open it up, and it has just a sharpened point. I will not swatch it. Since I just got one, I will put it in a giveaway for you guys. And let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Sigma eyeliner, and it retails for $9. Up next, guys, we have a brush, which y'all know I love brushes. And this one is from Crown Beauty. And this is the Crown Brush Crease and Blending Brush. So let me take it out and see what it looks like. Has a little weight to it. It's nice. And this is what the brush is looking like, guys, right here. This side is the, oh, wait, they have, what is that? Something that's stuck on here. I guess it might be glue or something. Right there, if y'all could see it. The little bristles, I don't know what that is. But on this side here is the blending brush right here. And on this side is the crease brush, or which I would call the inner corner brush. So yes, guys, I do like it. I'm gonna have to wash this one first before I use it because I don't know what that is that's stuck on it. But the bristles do feel nice on this side, a little stiff on this side, but pointer brushes are usually like that. And let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Crown Brush Dual Crease Blending Brush, and it is $12. Up next, guys, we have from, what is this? Manicador, this Miracle Balm. It's a balm that deeply moisturizes and soothes the lips, cuticles, and areas desired for additional moisture. So this is what it is looking like right here, guys. I'm not going to take this out the packaging because I'm going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. But let's look at the price on this. And this is the Manicador Miracle Balm, and it retails for $19. $19? I found, though, that Manicador's prices are a little expensive for my taste. One little product like this, you get 0.21 fluid ounces of product, and this is how much? $19? I don't know about that. Y'all let me know your thoughts on that. Next up, guys, we have from Rasha B Cosmetics, which is the owner of Slay Glam. And we have some beautiful lashes. Now, you could have either gotten the heated eyelash curler or the Rasha B lashes. And look at the packaging on this. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is definitely the type of packaging that I would have on my lashes. These are gorgeous. It flips up like that. Here are the lashes right there. They are very pretty, very full, very TonyaNicole-esque. Let's see what these retail for. And these are the Rasha B Cosmetics lashes, and they retail for $22. Last but not least, we have a palette. And this comes from Prolux Cosmetics, and it's called Wish Upon. And this is a, how many shades come in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 24 shadow palette. The outside packaging is gorgeous. I hope you guys can see that. And let's see what it looks like on the inside. It does not come with a mirror. And let's see if I can open up one side. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. The colors are very pretty, though. You have some shimmers. You have some matte shades. It's a very pretty palette. Okay, so I couldn't find my scissors, so I had to just rip off the side. But I did not touch it, guys. And this is the palette right here. Hope you guys can see all of those beautiful colors. You have some colors like Sand, Filthy Rich, Sweet Dreams, Lamp, Timeless. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Like I said, I'm not going to swipe it. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to put it in a giveaway for one of you guys. And let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Pro Luxe eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $14.99. Okay guys, that was my final product in this month's box. We're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, rate it, and we'll be done. We received from Pro Luxe this Wish Upon palette here. From Rasha B Cosmetics, these eyelashes here. From Stunna Face, this lipstick here. From Sigma, this eyeliner pencil. From Crown Beauty, this dual-sided brush. And from Manicador, this Miracle Lip Balm. So that's 6 products for this month. Final thoughts on this month's box is, I don't know. I think for the most part, I'm definitely going to use the lashes, the brush. If I wasn't giving this away, I would use this as well. And probably the palette, if I didn't have a channel, I would probably dip into this. But I don't know. For this month, I just felt a little underwhelmed with some of the products. Overall, I do like the fact that she gave you a whole complete eye look right here. I do love this fact. And I do love the fact that she gave you a lip moisturizer and a lipstick. Also, I just don't know about the price points on some of these products, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below on some of the prices. I don't know about paying $24 for this lipstick, $19 for this lip balm, $12 for this brush, $22 for these lashes. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I do think that it was a pretty decent box for this month. I don't think that it's a total throw it to the damn fire, but I just was a little underwhelmed this month. That's all. I think I'm so used to Slay Glam doing, like, you know, these grand boxes that this month just kind of felt a little flat for me. But overall, I don't think that it's a bad box. Y'all know I love Slay Glam. I absolutely adore this subscription, but this month I just was not feeling it too much like I usually do. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, you know what I'm saying, boo? We're going to give Slay Glam for this month a solid 2.5 to 3 for this month. I just, one, was not feeling how late the box came. Some of these prices I think may be a little inflated. And I don't know, I just wasn't excited this month like I usually am. I am, however, looking forward to February because I did see some of her spoilers there, and so far, so good. So yes, guys, that is all that I have on this box. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this box. Let me know what you thought of the prices. If this is the true price for these products, cool. I'm good with it, but I know sometimes brands, and I'm not talking about Slay Glam, I'm talking about the actual brands, may inflate their prices a little bit. So let me know what your thoughts are on the prices. Let me know what your thoughts are on the overall box. If you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. It helps my channel out so much. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl if you haven't done so already. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All of those links are down below. And yes, my loves, that is all that I have. I will see you guys on Wednesday with my The Box unboxing for January. So, yeah, that's all that I have, guys. Until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed. I love you all so much. Bye.